How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off sleep mode on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you are on the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on option labeled as time management. And now here, under the time management, at the bottom you can see the option labeled as sleep mode. So just tap on it. And now here, at the top, you can see the sleep mode. So to disable this option, just toggle off that option and that's it. That's how you can turn off sleep mode on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.